What do you want to eat with Daddy today?
You wanna chicken with a chips or I want some rice and beans and quesadilla and these were my beans.
And no...
Fireballs, no explosions.
And where do you want it from?
Dad's restaurant.
What's Daddy's restaurant?
I'm in Pueblo.
In Pueblo?
Yeah.
And what do you want to eat again? Rice and beans and cheese quesadilla what? You don't remember?
Cheese!
Cheese!
Cheese with my beans.
Cheese with your beans?
Yes.
And what else? No...
No. What? Fireballs?
And no explosions.
Yes, no explosions.
No explosions and no fireballs?
Yes.
Well, I hope not.
No fireballs, no explosions.
Well, I hope not. Hey, Sam, do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man!
The Muffin Man? Is that also a girl name?
Well, she was married to the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man!
Married
To the Muffin. What about the Chicken Man?
Yeah.
Do you know the Chicken Man?
The Chicken Man?
The Chicken Man!
Who was that a girl name?
Well, she was married to the Chicken Man. The Chicken Man.
Is there a different leg?
She was married to the Chicken Man.